everyone, my name is Denise and welcome to my dressing room. Today I have something really exciting to show you. I got some online purchases from Hermes that was just, I don't know, luck, what have you. I was just on the website and a few things popped up and I was like, Chada! Wasn't gonna pass that up. So this is how it came. You can see in the box, and can you guys kind of guess what it is? It says sight, so it's something exotic. Let's just chuck that down. But as you can tell from the size of the box, it is something little, but let's unopen it together. It's something that I've really wanted, and I was shocked that I found it. And then you know what else I was shocked at, guys? The price. Because online, these usually go for double the price, sometimes even triple. Is that not the cutest little birdie? Look at those eyes. So it's noir black, and then the wings are matte crocodile. And I mean, I love owls. So when I seen this little bird with the eyes, I was just like, oh, it's so cute. And then it also has like the Kelly turn lock for the little beak. And it's actually substantial. I was actually really surprised. This is how it looks against my vintage bolide. Is that not adorable or what? Next! So again, with the online box, guys, this one is a bit longer, as you can see. More information, and Chada, told you I scored. It was awesome. And I don't use any kind of, I know there's some websites that you can subscribe to, and they tell you when they pop up on the website. I was just on the website. I was sick for like 3 weeks, and then one day I felt better and I just went on the website, and like I said, scored. Chada. Oh my gosh, guys, I have been wanting this noir black rodeo for such a long time with the crocodile wings. So guys, that's it for today. I do have another couple more unboxings to do. They should be arriving this week, so I'm so looking forward to that. Just, you know what, I just been lucky, and I'm really happy because I got exactly what I wanted. Thanks for watching, guys. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. And I really hope to see you in my next video. Have an awesome day. Take care. Bye-bye.